Hi everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Grease Academy, and today we're doing an arm workout with resistance bands. This video is sponsored by Fitbeast, and I will be using their resistance band workout setup. Grab your resistance bands if you have them, and let's get going. The first exercise we're going to do is a tricep kickback. So start by holding either end of the resistance band in your hands, and you're going to place your feet on top of the resistance band with about a foot gap in between. We're going to bend through the knees, keeping that nice flat back, hinge the hips back slightly, and then what we're going to do is lean the body forward, bend through the elbows, and then we're going to extend the arms backwards. And the workout is going to be in the triceps when they're straightening. So again, extend through the arms, straightening, getting that workout into the triceps. For those of you who don't know, the triceps are the back part of your arm here. So let's go. We're going to do 15 of those. Make sure you've got a resistance band suitable for you, not too strong or tight, but something that's going to really get the blood pumping into the triceps. Let's go, guys. Called a shoulder press. For this exercise, I want you to place your feet on the center of the rope, but together this time. So you're going to place your feet together, nice and sturdy and strong. We're going to do a one arm shoulder press first. So we're going to bring one arm up so that the fist is just in line with the shoulder. You're holding the grip rope and the resistance band is underneath the feet. The other hand is just redundant at the moment. And we're just going to work one arm at a time to start off with. Press for the arm, keeping that arm as tight as you can, hugging the side of your face, and then back down. And again, up, bicep to ear, and down. Okay? And we're going to do 10 of those on each arm. Let's go. Onto the other side when you're ready. Yeah. Okay, now moving on, we're going to do both arms at the same time. So keeping your feet placed in the center of the resistance band, we're going to bring both arms up this time. So go as if you're doing a bicep curl, and then just turn your fists out so they're facing away from you, and then fist level with your shoulders. From there, you're just going to push up nice and strong together, and the inner side of your fists or the handle that you're holding onto should touch at the top, and then come back down, and then up, together, and down. Let's go. We're going to do 10 of these also. Okay, keeping nice posture throughout the back. You can take your gaze up slightly, and feel free to breathe out on the way up. So we're going to take a breath in, coming down, and push out. on, the next exercise we're going to do is a bicep curl. Once again, you're going to place your feet in the center of the resistance band. Place them fairly close together, if not touch it. Keep the elbows tucked into the side of the body. Hold on to the either end of the resistance band with either hand. Bend through the legs slightly. Okay, you can tilt your body slightly, hinge at the hips. And all we're going to do is bring the fists up towards the shoulders. Okay, really curl through the arms and work the biceps here, which is this muscle in your arm, in the top of your inner arm here. So again, bend slightly through the arms, bring the fists towards your shoulders, and then keeping your elbows tucked into the side of your body. And this is your bicep curl. Okay? You can do singular bicep curls if you wish, alternate bicep curls, or together. Entirely up to you. We're going to do 12 of these. Let's go, guys. Nice posture. Keep your core engaged, your back engaged. Okay, remember the breath is so important. Nice, slow, controlled motion with your breath. Last one. Very good, guys, well done. Next exercise we're going to do is a lateral raise. So again, we're going to start with a resistance band underneath our feet, and that's what supports it and gives it the tension. We're going to keep our arms by our side, nice and strong and straight. Bend slightly through the knees again, hinge the hips slightly back so you're in this nice workout position. If you want more tension, slightly open the legs, but if not, feel free to keep them together, entirely up to you. From here, all we're going to do is raise our arms up laterally to the side of us, nice and strong, and down. Okay. Good, really working the upper body here. Perfect. Remember what I said? Nice posture. Don't forget to breathe through the technique and then come up to horizontal before coming back down again. Let's go, guys. We're going to do 12 of these also. Very good. The next exercise we're going to do is an upright row. For this one, what I want you to do is step in the middle of your resistance band, and we're just going to cross the handles over. So you're going to hold on alternate handles this time, so you've got a cross in your resistance band. Again, remembering the bigger the distance between your feet at the bottom, the more resistance you will create throughout your band. Keep a nice bent leg, nice posture in your back, hinge the hips slightly, and we're going to start with our fists touching at the bottom or the handles touching at the bottom. From here, the motion of this exercise, you're going to bring the arms up and you're aiming for your fists to come parallel with your either side of your chest or your shoulders. Okay, so you end up in this position and then come back down to touch at the bottom. And then come back up, taking your hands wide of your chest, just below your shoulders before coming back down. And just by having this cross in the rope, it just helps aid that lateral exercise. So, let's go, 12 again, guys. up, we're going to do a reverse wood chop. So again, we're going to start by holding either end of the resistance band, and we're going to place one foot in the center, like so. We're going to start by taking a wide stance, and then just turn one leg out, so your foot's pointing away from you, and then we can bend into like a nice side lunge here. The aim of this exercise is, as we're going into our lunge, we're going to come up with the opposite hand and do a punch over our head with a nice lateral stretch here and coming down. So the resistance band starts at the waist, punches up, twists the arm through, and then comes back. And again, up, twist. You can take the gaze up to that top hand and back down. So we're getting a workout through the arms, but also the legs at the same time. Let's go, 8 on each side. Well done. There you have it, guys. That is the arm resistance band complete. Like I said before, this video is sponsored by Fitbeast. I really recommend you checking out their resistance band kit. It comes with many different attachments, from light resistance bands through to really heavy resistance bands. Many different fixings for your hands and also for leg workouts too. But that's it from me today. Hope you enjoyed this workout, guys. Any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for joining this workout today, guys. Take care and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.